Unleashed here was originally designed in an unexpected tiling. So looking at this, I've got a hexagon, then a rhombus, then a triangle, feeding back into another rhombus to get me back to the hexagon. And so you might think that it would repeat the same as tatted buds, with these two parallel pleats being connectors to the next set of repeats. But what I originally planned involves more hexagon twists that are the same shape, but not the same position. Notice that around these hexagons, the exact repeat of Unleashed, I have 6 triangles, whereas around these I have 3 triangles and 3 rhombi. It's a different structure. So inspiration can come from a wide variety of places, especially when you're designing from the outside and coming in, solving for the center.